don't fall into the AI trap. Listeners don't stream seeds. They stream songs with human identity and intention. Build on a platform you actually control. If your 2026 AI music strategy is clicking generate on a website, downloading the MP3 and slapping it onto Spotify, then you aren't building a music career, you're building a ticking legal and financial time bomb. I'm not anti-AI and I'm not anti-Suno because it is a great tool, but there's a massive difference between using Suno as a lazy production tool or using Suno as a pro producer. Right now, over 44% of daily uploads are pure unedited AI tracks. At the same time, recent leaks like the Suno hack have revealed how heavily copyrighted material was used to train these models.
AI music generator Suno was hacked. Suno is a AI-based platform. They stole 20 million, 30 million plus songs to train their AI models.
Let's face it, if you upload raw generations, you're competing in a flooded market with zero copyright protection. But today, I'll show you a smart Suno workflow that teaches you everything from how to flip Suno in a DAW, how to make a track you actually own, and how to host it on your own platform so you can actually make money. Let's get some context. Producer Curtis King recently broke down the Suno hack, and the leaked log showed massive scraping lists pulling directly from copyrighted catalogs.
This is source code that shows how Suno, the largest AI music generation tool and most popular, scraped millions of songs and lyrics from YouTube Music, Deezer, and Genius, as well as from stock music libraries, obviously without paying artists.
Why does that matter to you if you're using Suno? Well, because DSP recognition algorithms are actually getting smarter every single day. If you drop a raw Suno generation onto Spotify or Apple Music, you don't own the master. You can't clear it for TV or film sync, and you risk getting demonetized or purged without warning. Here's the wild part. Data shows that 44% of new daily uploads are pure AI prompt slop, but the 44% accounts for less than 3% of total actual streams. Listeners don't stream seeds. They stream songs with human identity and intention. The solution isn't to stop using AI, but instead to use AI as a creative partner in your DAW and not just your ghostwriter. Let's build a hybrid track right now. This workflow keeps you 100% legally covered, it gives you total creative control and turns raw Suno outputs into cleared commercial assets. The first step is to use Suno purely as a seed generator, a custom sample pack. We aren't exporting this as a finished track, we're treating it like raw material. The second step is to flip it. I'm chopping the transients, shifting the pitch, throwing on custom filters, and building my own drum pattern underneath. Now the groove is human, the sonic texture is unique, and it won't trigger generic recognition flags. Third step is the human performance. I'm laying down real vocals and melody over the top. Whether you sing it live or run your voice through custom processing, the emotional delivery comes from you. Now you have a master file that's completely original, legally bulletproof, and ready to monetize. Now, for the most important part, where does this track live? If you take a great hybrid track and just dump it on Spotify, you're still competing in an ocean of noise for fractions of a cent per stream. Instead, I'm dropping this song directly on my own streaming platform, www.feelzmachine.com. That's Feelz with a Z at the end. When fans listen on the platform, they get high quality audio directly from the creators, they get access to exclusive stems, downloads, and content, and 100% of the support goes straight to sustaining real music creation. No middlemen taking a cut or changing payout rules. In 2026, raw generation is free, but authentic connection and independent ownership is where the real money is. In short, don't fall into the AI trap. Treat Suno like the powerful producer tool it is, bring it into your DAW, and build on a platform you actually control. If you want to listen to the hybrid track we just made, or just check out the software that I used to make it, the link will be in the description. Hit subscribe, hit that like, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace.